Hi everyone, it's Wendy here again, and this is just a really quick introduction for those of you who are wondering how to navigate your way around this Moodle site for essay writing. So you can see here firstly in the middle of the page there's a little video here that you can click on the arrow and watch that gives you an introduction as to how to get started with the course as a whole. Over here on the right hand side, if you're looking for the course profile that's mentioned in that video, you can click on this link and a copy of the course profile will open. If you're looking for, over here we see on the left hand side, this is what we call the news forum. So as I need to notify you of different things, there'll be little messages that appear there. So you should be checking that really regularly because any important announcements, particularly to do with activities and assessment, will appear in that news forum for you. Now, if we scroll down the page, you can see that at the moment we have 5 weeks of the course up and running. So the course is actually going to go for 12 weeks. So eventually there will be weeks 1 to 12 here, as well as these other topics that will stay there for the whole of the course. But at the moment, you really need to concern yourself with this first one, orientation and introduction, and the week 1 work. So to open and see what's in each topic, you simply click on the green arrow once like this, and you can see there that that tells you what to do to prepare for week 1. So there's another little video from me there talking about that, which you're able to click and watch, and then there's a list of tasks that you need to do before week 1 begins. Now the most important one is for you to introduce yourself in the introduction forum. So if you're a distance student, discussion forums are going to be really important for you. So let's just have a quick look at how you get to that introduction discussion forum. So once you scroll your mouse over it, you can see it turns a different color. If you click once, you can see a new tab opens up there, and we're in the discussion forum here. So it asks you to introduce yourself to the other staff and students. Tell us a little bit about yourself. Where are you? Why did you decide to take the course, and what do you hope to get out of returning to study? So if I wanted to introduce myself in this forum, I'd simply click on this grey bar here that says add a new discussion topic, and then a box comes up where you can add your message to the discussion forum. So we always give our message a title, and then you write your message here. So that's very short. Hopefully you'll tell us a little bit more about yourself and why you're doing the STEPS program. But once you're happy with what you've written here, you go down to scroll down to the bottom of the page and you press post to forum. And that will take you to the forum there, and you can see your message, and if someone wants to read that, they click on it, and then if someone wanted to reply and say hi back to me, over on the right hand side here you can see reply, and you write a message. When you're finished and happy with it, post to the forum, and you can see there that I've said hello, and then I've said hello back to myself. So you won't do that. Hopefully other people will say hello to you. Once you're finished with the discussion forum, to get back to the main centre site, look along this link here and press the course code LNGE 40049. And that takes you back to the centre of the page. And once you're finished with that first orientation week, close the arrow, and then you can move to week 1. That's all for now, and you can expect more from me very, very soon.